How do I do this? What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Caroline. Oh, hi honey. And you should totally subscribe and join the man fam. So for today's video, I have two PR packages that, one, I do know what it is, and I'm so excited because I'm like tracking this whole journey. And then the second one, I have no idea. So I'm like kind of surprised and like shook because I don't know what is in this package. Let me show you what they look like really quick. The first one is from this brand called Formulate, and it is a hair brand. And then the second one is the big one that I have no idea what it is. First, I'm gonna open the mystery one. Really excited about that. Here are my scissors. There's another package inside of this. What is it? I'm kind of scared. What? This is from the brand Loopsona. So we have a little tote bag, and you should go follow them on Instagram. First we have this Puffy Jacket. She looks like this, really cute. Then we have, oh, this is so cute, a shirt that says "Not Your Baby." So cute. I literally don't have like any yellow shirts. Then we have a tube top. I do not actually have a white one. I have a black and white one and a solid black, but I don't have a white one. This is so cute. Mom, look. So cute. Oh wait, I think I do remember telling them that I like this. Okay, so we have a shirt and it says "Kanye attitude with Drake feelings." That is so cute. This will be good for pink out. Then we have, they're like cargo pants, and they're really cute for Europe. So, thank you, Loopsona. Okay, I think I actually do remember this brand now. This is called a Bodysuit. You guys probably already know that though. And it says "Babe" on it. And then, you know, it has like the leotard part. This is so cute with like jeans, like black ripped jeans. Then we have more. Whoa. These are like gingham pants. I don't know if these will fit me, but they'll probably fit my sister. But these are so cute. I love gingham, so. Oh, I remember picking this out. I think these are sunglasses. Mom, you're gonna laugh at these. So I bought these for like as a joke. Ready to see them? Close your eyes. Hi, Dad. These are so cute. Oh, this is jewelry. Oh my gosh. It's like a, let me take it out because like it's really not cute right now. Oh, this is so cute. Double necklace choker thing, and it has stars and moons. This is a dress. They had like a black dress on there, and I don't have like a solid black dress, so love this. Oh, I remember this thing. Oh, look at how cute this is. So colorful. I love it. This is so cute. I love this. And then last but not least, we have this like set piece skirt and then this top. Thank you so much, Loopsona, for sending me these. I love them so much and I can't wait to wear them. Next, I'm gonna be opening a package from the brand Formulate. I actually am doing like this whole journey thing with them because basically the brand works is you go onto their website and you fill out a survey of what your hair type is. So whether it's oily or dry, how many times you shampoo, if you have dandruff or not. So basically a bunch of stuff. At the end of the quiz, they custom make a shampoo and a conditioner for you. So mine came and I'm so excited. They're like so nice to work with. I don't know how to open this. Oh, kind of like ruined the box. So, wow, feels so special. They have my name. It says to Caroline Manning, Formulate. On the card that they gave me, it shows everything that I filled out. Thank you so much. The conditioner and the shampoo are actually in here. And then there's like the two pump bottle things. Stay tuned for a Formulate hair journey because I'm so excited to be working with them and I love them so much. So, thank you, Formulate, and if you guys liked the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you didn't, don't do anything. I love you all so much. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video.